Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage, and in this video we're going to be creating a vertical custom preset on HandBrake. So in my first HandBrake video, I talked about how to download HandBrake, how to correct default settings, reduce file size, and so much more. So let's not waste so much time and move into the video. So in the last video, I talked about how to reduce the file size of a landscape video like what you see here, but in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it for a vertical video. So this is our 1080 by 1920 videos, our 1080 by 1350 videos for Instagram portrait videos, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do basically all that. So first up, we're going to upload our video into HandBrake. So we're going to pick a video that we're going to use, a vertical video. Once you upload it, you'll notice that the file size has changed to 1080 by 1080. Now, if you don't create a preset that would work for a vertical video, it's going to come out as a 1080 by 1080 video. So we're going to learn everything right now. If we go to the dimensions, you would also see it here that the final destination is going to be 1080 by 1080. And we don't want that, so we're going to work on our template. If you create a preset for a 1080 by 1920 vertical video, which is for the reels, for YouTube shorts, you can't use it for an Instagram portrait video. It's just going to cut everything and make it, look really wobbly. If you're using it for Instagram portraits, you have to create another preset for a 1080 by 1350. Do you guys get? Yes, so a 1080 by 1350 is for Instagram portrait videos, and that will be done after our channel intro. So first up, we're going to click Save New Preset. You're going to see something that looks like this. So what you have to do is name it whatever name you want, something that you would remember, and if possible, add a description to it. Everything you want to remember when you're using that preset, just put everything in the description. I don't really use the description, so I just put in my title because I already know what I'm working with. Then what we're going to move on to is resolution limit. So when you get to the resolution limit, you put in the exact size you want your final output to be. So here I'm going to write 1080 by 1920. I usually don't mess with the audio subtitle, but this is what the audio looks like when you click it, and this is what the subtitle looks like when you click it. So I don't like messing with those things. I just leave it that way, put in my resolution, and click add. So once you click add, you would notice that automatically the name of the preset you just created would be in front of the preset. So right here, now all we have to do is modify it. So we're going to go to the different places we want to modify. I don't need anything in the audio, so we're going to go to video. Now for video, I mentioned that 23 was my sweet spot, and it's still my sweet spot. So I'm going to move it to 23. Move on to other settings. If I don't need to do anything right there, I would move on to the next one. So we're going to go back to video, then change our encoder presets to medium. So it's medium I usually use for my videos, so I'm going to change it to medium on this one as well. If you want to add filters, you can do that, but in dimensions, I'm going to show you guys something. You can see the source dimension is showing as 1080 by 1920. Now it is correct. Now, if you also look at the bottom part of the screen again, you will see that the final dimension is saying 1080 by 1920. That's basically what we need. That's basically what we want, and we're on the right track basically. So we're going back to our summary. Make sure you click web optimized because we're putting this content on the web. So you have to click web optimized, and you would also see that the size is 1080 by 1920 like I mentioned, and everything is just going smoothly. So once you see that every single detail is on point, now we're going to create a new preset. So all you have to do is click Save New Preset, just like we did from the beginning. But this time we're saving our final preset that we've made, our custom preset basically. Put in a new name, add a description to it, whatever you want, anything you want to say, just add it to the description. It's up to you. That's all, guys. That's all. I wanted to give you guys an update on how I overcame this issue because it was really an issue. Knowing that I always create reels, portraits, Instagram videos, and it was just a hassle because I couldn't reduce my file size. The thing was just showing different things, and I just had to look for a solution. And this was what helped me. This was how I got through it, and I decided to share it with you guys as well. If you love this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Please guys, a whole lot of you guys are watching my videos but you're not subscribed. Please show me love, show me support by subscribing to my channel. Comment in the comment section telling me, what other things you would like me to talk about, what questions you have that you want me to answer. I would be ready to answer you guys. DM me on Instagram as well. I would be ready to reply. I'm always ready to reply. If you want to watch the videos I featured in this video, they are on the channel as well. I'm going to link it up here so you guys can see the amazing things I am doing. So yes, that's all I have for you guys today. Do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite girl from Nigeria, Lara Savage, signing out.